Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to move images in Canva. Whether we are arranging elements in a design or adjusting placement for a better layout, we will walk you through the simple steps to position images exactly where we want them. On the Canva dashboard, let's look at an example. We will insert some images here. Now that we have added the images, let's see how to move them around. To move an image anywhere we want, all we have to do is drag it to the position we want. For example, let's resize this one. If we want to place it in the corner, all we need to do is click the image and drag it. As we can see, once we drag it, it moves to the new position. We can place it anywhere we like. Just drag the image to where we want it. As we can see, we can put images anywhere on the canvas, depending on what works best for our design. And that is how we move images in Canva. With just a few clicks and drags, we can easily organize our designs and create a clean, professional look.